Hello everyone. Welcome to the next class of our microeconomics, that is production. Next class of production function. Today we are going to discuss about the most important head of this chapter, that is law of variable proportion. As we have already discussed, whenever we are going to explain any of the law, we need to elaborate or we need to explain that law in the form of such headings. First is meaning, second is assumptions, next is schedule, next is diagram, and the last one is explanation. It means whenever we need to explain any of the law in economics, we need to elaborate in such headings, that is meaning, assumptions, schedule, diagram and explanation. This is the most important question that generally comes in your exam. Question is, explain the law of variable proportion. But question comes like this, explain the law under which some factors are fixed while some are variable. It means this is the law under the short time period. Short time period means some factors are fixed and some are variable. First of all, meaning of the law. What does it mean, law of variable proportion? It is quite easy. This law states that when more and more of variable factors are applied with fixed factor. This law states that when more and more of variable factors are applied with fixed factor, PP increases with increasing rate, PP increases with diminishing rate, reaches at its maximum and starts falling. Meaning is quite clear to you, I think. What does it law states? As more and more of variable factors are applied with fixed factor, TP increases with increasing rate, TP increases with diminishing rate, reaches at its maximum and ultimately starts falling. What was the first assumption? Rational producer. Second assumption, operates in short period. Next assumption, some factors are fixed while some are variable. Next assumption, assumptions were quite as per the short-run production function. Some factors are fixed while some are variable. Scale of output does not change. Homogeneous unit of variable factor. Homogeneous unit of variable factor. And last is technology is constant. So repeat the two headings again. First of all, meaning. This law states that when more and more of variable factors are applied with fixed factor, TP increases with increasing rate, TP increases with diminishing rate, reaches at its maximum and ultimately starts falling. Assumptions. Rational means wise producer, sorry. Operates in short period, some factors are fixed while some are variable, scale of output does not change, homogeneous unit of variable factor, technology is constant. These assumptions were quite similar as per the first heading, that is short time duration. Next heading is schedule. Most important part, because you will get number of numericals as per the schedule. Land, labor, TP, AP, MP. One factor is fixed. One factor is variable. Now come to the point. First of all, we will learn the values. After that, I will tell you how to find out such values or how to remind in mind. First one is 0. As I have already done, 10, 25, 45, 7, 70, 75, 70. 10, 25, 45, 7, 70, 75, 70. It means 10, 25, 45, 60, 70, 75, 75, 70. This I have already learned. AP I am able to find out with these values. First MP dash, next 10, next 15, next 20, next 15, next 10, next 5, 0, minus 5. So we need to classify into 3 stages. First stage, TP is increasing at increasing rate. Means this is the first stage. And this TP is increasing at increasing rate. And side by side situation is MP is rising. Second stage, TP is increasing at diminishing rate. TP is increasing at diminishing rate. In that situation, MP is falling. So first stage is TP is increasing at increasing rate. Second stage is TP is increasing at diminishing rate. Third stage is MP becomes negative or TP starts falling. These were the 3 situations. So first situation is also known as increasing return to factor. Second is also known as diminishing return to factor. And the last stage is negative return to factor. Meaning is already clear to you, assumptions already clear to you. Next is schedule. Schedule means lambda factor is fixed, one is variable. Now just cram these values TP for a time being, but you need to understand what the concept is going on. Concept is, first of all, MP is rising, clear, then MP is falling, then MP becomes negative. With the help of MP, we are able to find out TP as well. AP 0, 10, 12.5, 15, 15, 14, 12.5, 10.7, 8.7 something. Now diagram. I am explaining this situation under 2 diagrams. This is TP, this is label. X-axis, point of origin, y-axis, I am writing down AP and MP here, and I am writing down label here. First of all, TP. It was like this and formed this shape. Now, the situations were. After preparing TP, we are able to find out MP. Then after that, AP. So, this is first stage, this is second stage, this is third stage. This is first stage, this is second stage, this is third stage. So first of all, first stage as per the TP. TP is increasing at increasing rate. Then TP is increasing at diminishing rate. Here TP is maximum. Here TP starts falling. Now the stages as per the MP. First is MP equals to maximum. Second is MP equals to 0. Third is MP equals to negative. Now the situation is as per the AP. AP equals to MP. Now you need to explain the situations in your own words. First is stage 1, that is increasing return to factor. In that you will write down TP is increasing at increasing rate and TP increases its rate. TP changes its rate from increasing to diminishing. Second, MP is rising, reaches at its maximum. Next, AP. AP is also rising and is below MP. This is the explanation for the first stage. I am repeating again. TP is increasing at increasing rate. MP is rising and reaches at its maximum. AP is below MP. Stage first ends where MP is maximum. Now stage 2. What was it? Diminishing return to factor. What was that? Diminishing return to factor. In this first bullet point is TP is increasing at diminishing rate. MP starts falling and reaches 0. AP is rising, touch MP when AP equals to MP and starts falling. And stage second ends where TP is maximum and MP is 0. Stage third is negative return to factor, that is TP is falling and MP becomes negative. Now which stage is significant stage? As current situation, first stage is significant stage because here TP is increasing and increasing it, but no, because here underutilization of land was there, so stage second is termed as significant stage because here proper utilization of land was there. Just look at the part and have a screenshot of this properly and note down properly for the better understanding.